This is the life-changing secret for those suffering from diabetes. Diab 99.9. If you've ever felt trapped in the endless cycle of medications, this is your moment. Trust me, I've been there. My blood sugar once reached a staggering 300, and I was taking pills like there was no tomorrow. But then, I discovered Diab 99.9, and everything changed. Just 2 capsules a day. It's that simple. These tiny wonders turned my life around, without which I couldn't imagine my life anymore. Diab 99.9 isn't just about managing diabetes. It's for those dealing with sugar levels of 200, 300, or even 400, bringing them back under control. Imagine this. If your body's metabolic functions have gone haywire, if insulin resistance is wreaking havoc, Diab 99.9 is your beacon of hope. It not only fine-tunes your body's intricate processes, but also sets the wheels in motion for a diabetes turnaround. Say goodbye to insulin resistance, the very root of diabetes, as revealed by a groundbreaking 2010 study. Diab 99.9 is the formidable opponent it can't defeat. We believe in this medication so much that if it doesn't work for you, it's on us. Yes, a solid 100% money-back guarantee. Plus you get to keep the remaining pills. No questions asked. That's how much faith we have in Diab 99.9.
To order Diab 99.9, click on the link below and visit yogamanlab.com.